Okay, I want to go into how we've set up these presentations to help you. So this is a day 0 module that you should have opened up and started reviewing. First of all, you see these items that look, they're actually an eyeball with a slash through it. That means that the slides are not visible in slideshow mode. So when you go to present, you will skip all of those slides. The purpose of those slides being there are instructions for you and helpful hints. So if you notice, it starts with the day 1 for the soil module, and then the next one without the slashed eyeball is the observation activity. So when I go to slideshow mode, you'll see day 0, and then I go into the observation activity. So that's the purpose of those, is instructional. The other helpful things that you will see is in the bottom here. These are notes for you. And these notes should help you with instructional hints and guidance, additional information that should help you. So make sure to also read the notes at the bottom there. So hopefully that helped you in how we've set up the slides. And you'll see this for day 0, day 1, day 2, etc.